I'm gonna do a cold start, and Camber's coming with. All right. Okay, bye. Well. Contrary to popular belief, we're making progress. I think I picked the coldest day to be here. I cannot feel, it hurts. It's very chilly. We are now in Springfield, Missouri. It was a 7-hour drive.
Easy money.
I slept for 4 hours, so really it was like a 3-hour drive. Am I allowed to tell them?
Sure.
Gabe is getting the 3rd gen wrapped. Again. We took it all off and now we're doing it. Alright, say goodbye to the 3rd gen. Take care of her. He's back here crying. Goodbye! You're telling me we get to Illinois and the snow is gone, pretty much? Accurate? So we're at the gym. What's happening? Wow, another cold start? I think so. This thing has not moved since I last started it, which is why I'm recording the start, just in case. Dang it! Oh man!
Look at all that tar.
No comment. Wow, what a thirsty bitch. the shock off.
Definitely was my idea to take the shock off. I definitely wasn't going to not take that off, because that would be stupid.
Do you need help?
Kinda. Fucking son of a... Need an extension. Fine, I'll be right back. Actually, I'll take off the other one.
Okay.
It's so freaking cold outside.
I feel fine.
Yeah, of course you do. Dun, dun, dun. Hello?
Who is this?
Who is this? Hello? He called. That's the third time he's called. The first time he called, he said, I said, hello. He said, I have $1. Hello? You're a...
Yes.
Hi.
And you?
Alberto.
Your name?
My name is Alberto, yes.
What?
Are you calling about my car's extended warranty?
What?
My name's Alberto.
Oh.
Yes. I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
What?
Yes.
Car?
Yes, your car. Your Toyota Camry?
No.
Yes.
I have a big truck.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Big truck.
And you?
I have a 1973 Hummer H2.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm here with my friend Alberto.
I drive a Navy H2 Hummer. He said, I have 3 trucks. He's back!
Look who just pulled up. This thing is mint. Except for that. Okay, why is it like that?
Right, Gabe? Nope.
Fix it. Stop. Whatever you're doing down there needs to be brought attention to over here.
You probably just spray paint it.
No. If you guys were wondering, it's a 12 valve with 4 doors.
And a short bed.
It's a 36 valve.
It's a 36 valve with 18 doors.
I agree. The coolest part of this truck
It's the back seat. Looks like an ordinary back seat, right? Wrong. It folds down into a bed.
does it.
Yes.
Do you know how to do it?
Nope.
Okay, bye. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror?
No.
Alright guys, if you want more information on the limo, go to Logan's channel. Alright, hey, I'm ending the video in the office because they're doing whatever they're doing out there. Go check out Logan's channel. He's going to be posting his video about the truck tomorrow morning. You'll get some like behind the scenes of where they got it from, probably, blah, blah, blah. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Weep, weep.